Okay, guys, so I got milk, bunch of rice, raviolis, and then I got two pairs of pants, a little sweatshirt, and that. And then I got my mac and cheese. And yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm not having this for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna make rice for dinner. I'm gonna have rice with not mac and cheese. Raviolis. Then, as I'm trying to get into my house, my freaking, what's it called? Spills. Well, I don't even care. Because, yeah, freaking. Okay, anyways, when I was walking home, no, not walking home. Wasn't even walking home. Why am I even thinking about walking home? Okay, when I walked into my house, my Alfredo just kaboom, spilled everywhere. And I'm honestly literally mad. I have an interview tomorrow for, not Walmart, Wendy's. Then, yeah, interview for Wendy's tomorrow at I don't know, forgot what time, but anyways, yeah, spills all over my shoes. My shoes get soaked, in freaking Alfredo sauce. The thing just, broke. And I'm mad. Literally mad that, it's freaking spilled. Okay. We are done. So, I'm going to make dinner and get ready for tomorrow, but I had a wonderful day today. Let me show you my clothes. Okay. I'm going to show you what I got from Walmart. We got these pants, which are in a medium. I guess they're whatever. Bro, I swear, if they're these are capris, honestly. And then these are the long ones. The pants I hate the most are freaking, what are they called? I will never wear them. They're not even my style. So I got these ones, which I'll wear tomorrow. And then with my tennis shoes. Then I got this sweatshirt, which is nice. So I'm gonna be wearing this one with my pants tomorrow. And then cause I'm going to my interview, and my mom's like, no, you're not riding your scooter. I am not walking that far, okay? Literally that far. If I'm going to be walking, I'm going to be leaving around 12. Because that's a far distance. And then I got this dress, which was $7. The style looks like I don't know, grandpa style, but it's nice. And why is it a small? I don't even wear a small. I wear a medium. No wonder why it's on the clearance. Because it's a freaking small. Should honestly return it. Yeah, just small. But anyways, that's everything. And I'm going to be cooking dinner. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. In the comments, let me know if you think I will get a job. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.